All right, let's make an Afrobeat. With this beat, I began with the bills, and these are chords. It's in a key of B major. B major. The bills. I played the same chords. The bells and the piano, this is how they sound together. The bells and the piano, that's how they sound together. After the bells and the piano, then I got a certain vocal pad. This is the vocal pad. The chords, the bells, and the vocal pads. So the vocal pad makes it a little bit luscious. So I got another vocal pad. See how it sounds. Always like you. Always like you. Always like you. So what I did is I put a delay and reverb to make it sound like this. Always like you. Always like you. Always like you. After putting a delay and a reverb, of course, I exported it out to save my CPU. Always like you. 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 Yep. After that, I started programming the drums. The drums, how they sound. The drums, I put the bass. This is the bass. The bass, I followed the root note of the chords. Now, of course, I put in some hits and rolls, some snare rolls to make it sound a little bit better. And the drum fills. Everything. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and follow.